Let's face it, folks. Hair loss is a common concern. It affects millions, both men and women. Seeing more hair in the shower drain than usual can be alarming. A widening part in the mirror can be downright scary. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people struggle with this issue. And it's more than just a cosmetic concern. Hair loss can significantly impact self-esteem. It can affect your confidence at work, in relationships, and in social situations. But here's the good news. You can take control. There are simple, natural remedies you can try right at home. These remedies use everyday ingredients you probably already have. We're about to unlock the secrets to a healthier, fuller head of hair, naturally. Before we jump into solutions, let's understand the causes of hair loss. One major culprit is genetics. Family history plays a big role. If your parents or grandparents experienced hair loss, you might too. Stress is a big one. Stress throws your body out of whack, including your hair growth cycle. A diet lacking in essential nutrients can weaken hair follicles, leading to breakage and loss. Certain medical conditions and medications can also trigger hair loss. Now let's move on to the good stuff, the DIY remedies that can help revive those hair follicles. Let's talk about genetics. We inherit genes from our parents, and these genes determine everything from our eye color to our risk of certain diseases. Hair loss is no different. There's a gene, or rather, a group of genes, that can make you more susceptible to hair loss. If your family has a history of hair loss, particularly male or female pattern baldness, you might be carrying these genes. Now, this doesn't mean you're destined for a life of hats and scarves. It just means you might need to be a bit more proactive about hair care. You can't change your genes, but you can influence how they express themselves. Managing stress, eating a healthy diet, and using natural remedies can nourish your scalp and hair follicles. Understanding the role of genetics empowers you to take control of your hair health. We all know stress is a real drag. It impacts our mood, our sleep, and yes, even our hair. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, and for a good reason. It puts our bodies into fight or flight mode. While cortisol is helpful in short bursts, chronic stress keeps these levels elevated. And that's when it starts messing with our hair growth cycle. Stress can disrupt these phases, pushing hair follicles into a resting phase prematurely. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels. Find healthy ways to de-stress, and watch your worries and your hair bounce back. You are what you eat, fueling hair growth from within. Remember that old saying, you are what you eat? Well, it's especially true when it comes to your hair. A diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals can weaken hair follicles, making them more prone to breakage and loss. Your hair needs a steady supply of protein, biotin, iron, zinc, and other essential nutrients to thrive. Load up on protein sources like eggs, fish, and lean meats. Biotin-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes can help strengthen hair and promote growth. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen to hair follicles, so include plenty of leafy greens, beans, and lentils in your diet. By nourishing your body from the inside out, you're also giving your hair the fuel it needs to grow long and strong. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy plate. Raid your pantry. DIY hair growth solutions at your fingertips. You don't need fancy, expensive products to combat hair loss. Believe it or not, some of the most effective remedies are sitting right there in your pantry. These natural ingredients have been used for centuries to promote hair growth and maintain a healthy scalp. We're going to explore some of the most powerful DIY hair growth solutions using everyday ingredients. Get ready to unleash the power of nature on your hair. Egg-cellent hair care, nourishing your scalp from the inside out. Let's start with a classic: eggs. We all know eggs are packed with protein, essential for building and repairing tissues, including hair. But did you know that eggs also contain biotin, a B vitamin that's crucial for hair growth? When applied topically, the proteins in eggs create a protective layer around hair strands, preventing breakage and split ends. To make an egg mask, simply whisk 1 or 2 eggs, depending on hair length, and apply generously to your scalp and hair. You can use this mask once or twice a week for stronger, healthier hair. The magic of onion juice, stimulating growth naturally. Onions might make you cry, but they can also make your hair grow. Onion juice might sound a bit strange, but it's a potent hair growth remedy. Onions are rich in sulfur, a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up our hair. Sulfur is known to stimulate hair follicles, boosting hair growth, and preventing hair loss. To extract onion juice, simply grate an onion and squeeze out the juice using a cheesecloth. Apply this juice to your scalp and massage gently. You can repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Coconut oil wonders, moisturizing and strengthening your locks. Coconut oil is a true multitasker when it comes to hair care. This tropical oil is deeply moisturizing, penetrating the hair shaft and preventing protein loss, which can lead to breakage. Simply warm up a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil depending on hair length and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Then, wash your hair as usual. You can use coconut oil as a hair mask once or twice a week. Step-by-step egg mask, your guide to stronger hair. Ready to give your hair a protein boost? This egg mask is simple, affordable, and packed with nutrients. Follow these easy steps. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 eggs depending on hair length and a bowl. Whisk it up. Crack the eggs into the bowl and whisk them together until they're light and frothy. Apply to damp hair. Lightly dampen your hair. Section it off for easier application. Massage into the scalp. Gently massage the egg mixture into your scalp using your fingertips. Work it down the length of your hair. Let it sit. Cover your hair with a shower cap or towel. Let the mask sit for 20 minutes. Rinse and wash. Unleashing the power of onion, a simple juice recipe for hair growth. Don't let the smell deter you. Onion juice is a potent hair growth stimulator. Here's how to make it. First, chop it up. Peel and roughly chop 1 medium-sized onion. Next, blend or grate. You can either blend the onion pieces in a blender or grate them using a grater. Then, extract the juice. Place the blended onion or grated onion in a cheesecloth or muslin cloth. Squeeze firmly to extract the juice into a bowl. After that, apply to your scalp. Dip a cotton ball into the onion juice and apply it to your scalp, focusing on areas where hair is thinning. Now, massage and let it sit. Massage the juice into your scalp for a few minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. Finally, wash it out. The coconut oil routine. How to deep condition for healthier hair. Coconut oil is a hair care superhero, known for its deep conditioning properties and ability to nourish the hair from within. Here's how to use it for deep conditioning. First, scoop it out. Make sure to use a clean spoon to avoid contamination. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, depending on your hair length and thickness. Next, warm it up to make it easier to apply. Place the coconut oil in a small bowl and microwave it for a few seconds until it melts. Be careful not to overheat it. You can also melt it using a double boiler method, which is gentler on the oil. Then, test the temperature. Before applying, test the temperature of the melted oil on your wrist to ensure it's not too hot. This step is crucial to avoid burns. After that, apply to your hair. Make sure your hair is dry or slightly damp for better absorption. Section your hair and apply the warm coconut oil from root to tip. This ensures even distribution and maximum benefits. Massage it into your scalp using gentle circular motions. This stimulates blood flow and promotes hair growth. Now wrap it up. Wrap your hair in a warm towel or use a shower cap to lock in the heat and moisture. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deeper treatment. This allows the oil to penetrate deeply, providing intense hydration and nourishment. Consistency is key tips for maximizing your DIY hair care. These DIY remedies are like a workout for your hair. You won't see results overnight, but with consistent effort you'll notice a difference. Stick to a schedule, choose a remedy and try it consistently for at least a month. Patience is key. Listen to your hair. If a remedy feels irritating, stop using it and try a different one. Combine remedies. You can alternate between different remedies throughout the week. Enjoy the process. Cracking the code. The science behind eggs and hair growth. We've talked about the amazing benefits of egg masks for hair, but let's dive into the science